Hello everyone, today I'm going to show the poker themed party, birthday party, home party. This is very easy to make and very budget friendly as well. I have pasted everything on the wall itself like this, and I have used cardboard boxes for this one, different sizes. You can use any size or any shape like that. I have used black and white chart papers for this one. You can see this one is very thin paper. If it is thin, it's very easy to wrap around the box, so I have used those papers. And I have wrapped this box with black, and these are white, and these are online printables. You can directly print them online. Actually, I want this theme to be little different from other poker theme parties, so I have used this vintage collection of cards. You can find them online. You just need to type like this, vintage playing card printable, something like that, and you can find them. You just need to Google that and you can find them online. This one is a A3 size paper. Everything is a card. This one is a card paper. You can print the paper also. Actually, it doesn't make much difference, but I have done that on cards, little thick paper like this. And even this one is a A3 size. Even these are on the A3 size. You just need to cut the paper like this in this shape, coin shape. And these A4 size, all vintage cards. A4 size again. And for this I have used cards, so that the card weight is little more compared to the paper, so that it won't fly in the air like that. So I have used card for this one, and I have pasted a little dot over here like this, one here and one on the top, that's all, for the ribbon like this. You can directly paste them onto the wall as well, but better use the ribbon so that there won't be much. You don't need much plaster and spoil the wall. Actually, I have spoiled my wall. I don't want you to spoil that one, so better use less plaster like this on both sides. Those are A4 size printables, those coins on the top. And poker tournament, even that one is a A4 size printable, and this king is a A3 size printable, and this one is A4. And some cards like this one is a A4 printable. You just need to cut the cards like that, and I have pasted them like that. Some heart, diamonds, flowers here and there. And this one is the cake base. I've taken a cardboard and I've cut the cardboard in the circle like this circle, and for this I have pasted a fork over here. You just need to bend the fork at the bottom, spoon or fork or whatever. You just need to bend that one like this, in this like this shape, and just need to paste one end to the cardboard beneath and one end inside, and you can see right inside like this. You can use anything. This one is the waste. I don't know where I found. Finally I found something in red color, so I have used this one. You can paste the cup or paper cup or anything like that. And some cards like this, flowing cards from the cup like this. You just need to roll the cards like this in the edges with pencil or pen or anything like that, and paste onto the cardboard beneath. And some diamond and heart and one coin over here. I'll be placing the cake over here in the center like this. And here are some accessories. This one is a hair band. I have used binding wire for this one, this silver binding wire. You can get them in stores or online. These are called beading wires and binding wires both. And just stick the cards to that one. If you want the look to be more cleaner, you can paste another card in the opposite side also, like this. Other side also you can, like this. You can paste the card like this also. From both sides it will look good. And I want this flying effect, so I have used this binding wire and some feathers here. And these I found in my rack, so I have used them. Some effect like this. And I have pasted that all together to this clip like this. I have used glue gun for this one, hot glue gun. One is this one and this one is another one. The same, I have pasted feathers and cards like this. And I have done this one for my daughter. This one is a cap, small cap clip, and I have pasted cards to that one like this. And these are for boys. I have used this double-sided tape for this one, so that while removing also the hat won't get spoiled. We can easily remove that one. I have used this coin and some cards and some feathers for this one. I have done 3 hats. And the fork and spoon set. Even here I have used the cards. You just need to paste the cards onto this red color band. This is just the card stock paper. You just need to cut that one like vertically, sometime around 10, maybe some 6 or 7 inches, and just paste it to the tissue paper like that, and cards onto that, and coin here like this. And for the glasses also I have used this coins, paper coins. You just need to make a cut over here like this and do a circle, small circle in the center, and just put like this. That's all. And some mugs over here. You just need to do that red paper wrapping, cardstock, and paste a card onto that like that. That's all. And these are cake toppers or food toppers or whatever. I will decide later. Like this, I've made some so that I can use it anywhere to the like I can do onto the cake or some sandwiches or something. Toppers, I'll use them as a toppers. That's all. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching.